Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that if sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question, it is given that sec theta is equal to 13 by 12 and we need to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let us first draw a right angle triangle, and you could see that I have already drawn a right angle triangle with A, B, C, and it is right angle at angle B, and theta I have considered this angle A as theta. So our angle A is facing towards B and C. This is most important, we need to understand. Now the given question is like sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Okay, sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Guys, as I told you, I don't know what is sec theta. I only remember till sine, cos and tan, and my habit is like to extract the figures from these three things. And as I know that sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So guys, let us first of all find out what is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side to angle theta, that means AB, by hypotenuse, which is AC, and therefore sec theta is equal to I can write 1 by cos theta, or that is equal to AC by AB. So guys, you could see that I am able to extract or get the value for sec theta as AC by AB from cos theta. Now guys, here as per the question, it is given like sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, which is nothing but AC by AB. Now we got the value of AC as, we could see the value from AC as 13 units and AB as 12 units. Now guys, as I told you, we need to first of all blindly find out the value of C, and then we need to move ahead and see what we are going to do. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, let us find out the value for BC. So as per the Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or I can write AC square because our BC is missing, so I can write BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Now putting the values that we have in hand is equal to AC square is nothing but 13 square, okay, and AB square is nothing but 12 square. Okay, or in other words, I can write BC square is equal to 13 square. 13 square is nothing but 169 minus 144. That, or I can write BC square is equal to 25, or I can write BC is equal to root over of 25, that is equal to 5. So guys, we are able to find out the value of BC as 5. With these things in hand, let us move ahead and find the other trigonometric values, because as per the question, we need to calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Only sec theta is given, we are going to find out the other trigonometric ratios. Now with these things in hand, let's see. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to angle opposite to theta, side opposite to theta, that is BC, by hypotenuse, which is AC, that is equal to 5 by 13. So guys, we are able to find out sin theta is 5 by 13. Now cos theta. Cos theta is equal to side opposite, adjacent side to angle theta, that means AB by hypotenuse, that is equal to AC. So I can write 12 by 13. Now tan theta. Tan theta is equal to side opposite to angle theta, that is BC, by adjacent side to angle theta, that is AB, that is equal to 5 by 12. Cot theta. As I told you guys, I only remember tan theta till tan theta. I can write cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So that is equal to, my values will come 12 by 5. because I got tan theta is 5 by 12, so cot theta will become 12 by 5. Then sec theta. Sec theta is nothing but I know 1 by sin theta, sorry 1 by cos theta. So that is equal to cos theta value is 12 by 13, so it will become 13 by 12. Cosec theta. Similar thing, I don't know what is cosec theta, and I only know that cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. I don't know cosec theta in the sense I don't know the sides, which side I need to take upon which side. So simply I can write cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is equal to sin theta is 5 by 13. So here it will become 13 by 5. So guys, you could see that we are able to extract these figures. Sin theta is 5 by 13, cosec theta, cos theta is 12 by 13, tan theta is 5 by 12, cot theta is 12 by 5, sec theta is 13 by 12, and cosec theta is 13 by 5. That's all guys. You could see this calculation is super easy. With the help of little trick and calculations, we can simply move here and find out the trigonometric functions. Hope guys you understood this calculation, but still if you have any questions or concerns, please write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, kindly subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.